Hi everyone. Today we have a very interesting review. And before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and motivates me to create even more Amazon tech reviews for you. Let's get started. The printer arrives in a large, sturdy box with well-organized internal protection. Everything is neatly packed. Each part is secured, nothing rattles inside, and there's no feeling of some Chinese lottery. From the very first moment, it's clear the manufacturer cared about safe transportation. The box is heavy, tight, and gives the impression of premium equipment. Inside the box, you get everything you need to start printing. The printer itself, tools, cables, a maintenance kit, a manual, and consumables. The printer has an enclosed chamber that looks modern and clean, and the dark matte panels give it a professional appearance. The body is thoughtfully designed. Large doors, easy access to all components, internal lighting, and excellent rigidity. It instantly feels like a device made for real work, not just casual tinkering. This is a new generation printer that makes life much easier for beginners. It has fully automatic bed leveling, nozzle auto cleaning, a built-in camera for monitoring prints, and very user-friendly software. The enclosed chamber allows you to print not only PLA but also nylon, polycarbonate, and other advanced materials that require stable temperatures. The PEI build plate provides strong adhesion during printing and effortless removal once cooled. All of this makes the printing process predictable and stable, even for large and complex projects. The printer is extremely convenient to use. It handles most routine tasks automatically, leaving you to simply load the model and hit print. The enclosed chamber noticeably improves print quality and allows you to work with more demanding materials. Automatic calibration saves a lot of time and reduces failed print starts. The built-in camera makes it easy to monitor long prints remotely. The overall build quality feels very solid and gives the impression of a professional-grade tool. Because of the enclosed chamber and advanced features, this model is noticeably more expensive than basic printers, so it might not be ideal as a first purchase. It's also quite heavy and takes up a lot of space, making it better suited for a dedicated workspace rather than a kitchen table. The additional electronics and mechanics mean repairs can be more complicated compared to simple open-frame models. And while it does help with advanced materials, you still need proper settings and preparation. The printer won't do absolutely everything for the user. The Elegoo Centauri Carbon leaves a very strong impression. It's a model that combines ease of use with professional-level functionality. All the automation features work well, prints come out consistently, and the construction feels sturdy and well-engineered. This is the kind of printer that doesn't just sit on your desk. It actually lets you create complex, high-quality parts without extra hassle. If you've been wanting to step up your 3D printing game, this is exactly the tool that will let you do it with minimal stress and maximum results.